पोर्तुगालचे पर्यावरण मंत्री जुआंव पेद्रो मार्टियस गोंयांत आयल्यात. भारत सरकार आणि पोर्तुगाल सरकारामदीं शेनवारा करार सय जालो. गोंयांत 24 वरां उदकाची पुरवण करपाक गोंय सरकारान पोर्तुगाला कडेन करार सय केला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
At this outset, I take this opportunity to thank His Excellency João Pedro Matos Fernandes, Honorable Minister of Environment, Republic of Portugal, for accepting my invitation and to visit this lovely and beautiful state of Goa along with the delegation from Portugal to sign this Memorandum of Understanding. I sincerely and warm-heartedly thank you and the delegation on this occasion. Memorandum of Understanding is being signed today is one of a significant step between the Government of India and Republic of Portugal and undoubtedly Government of Goa. I presume and is confident to see new opportunities and possibilities for our collaboration in the key area has been identified and discussed between the officials of the Agos de Portugal and Public Works Department Government of Goa. Indeed, it is a significant move to work in a tandem in collaboration to develop common initiatives for water supply and wastewater management in the state of Goa. Needless to point out that we have agreed and desire to implement the project of assessment of existing surrounding water supply and OPA water supply projects, decentralized sewage treatment plant on a pilot basis in Varpai town of North Goa, so also study on the removal of manganese in surrounding water supply system apart from capacity building. It has been my earnest endeavor to develop modern infrastructure under sustainable development. The signing of this Memorandum of Understanding at this juncture is nothing but a consolidation of a true partnership, and we should not miss out this opportunity for sustainable development. Though the present Memorandum of Understanding is for a period of 2 years, as is being given to understand, I am confident that we shall achieve this target and all objectives within the prescribed period.
We've got the wider themes within the water sector, sanitation, and then we've highlighted 4 specific projects, and that particular part of the annexures will keep adding in this sector. Now, going beyond this, when we went for a technical visit, our ambassador and embassy in Lisbon put our team through to 2 more sectors. One is in Portugal, they have a very strong system, a private company, if I'm not mistaken, running the posadas, which is basically the traditional houses, putting back on the tourism market. And we were introduced to the management who looked at the possibility of could they extend the similar expertise.
It's not just a problem of old pipes. It's a problem of management, a problem of pressures in the grids, a problem of smart metering, a problem of looking to the water sector with a new technology and the new industry. If you see the electricity and gas, they are all around, all inside the 4.0 industry, and water, it's one step behind. So yes, all over the world you have to replace the pipes, but it's much more than that to have a good management of the sector.